Why settle for just messaging when you can connect face to face? Instagram group video chat lets you bring your friends together instantly. It's fun, interactive, and easy to use. Here's how to get started. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to group video chat on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick. So let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your screen. And tap the messenger icon. Either start or select a group chat. Already have a group? Tap on the chat to open it. Want to create a new group? Tap the pencil icon. Then select multiple friends. Then tap on the create group chat option at the bottom. Inside the group chat, tap the video camera icon at the top. You can mute yourself by tapping on the microphone icon, or turn off your camera by clicking on the video camera icon. Use Instagram filter to add some fun to your video chat by tapping on the filter icon. When you are done, tap the red phone icon to leave. The call will continue for others still in the chat. So this is how to group video chat on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.